Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the 30th anniversary My Neighbour Totoro Limited Collector's Edition DVD with extra goodies. I pre-ripped the plastic here on the top just to make it easier for the video. It's a really big box. I mean, look at my hand. I have a big hand. And that is one big box. Pretty heavy as well. Oh yeah. Hold on. I'm ripping. Okay. Okay, this thing at the bottom. It's just put on with blue tack, white tack. I don't know. It's basically the same thing.
It's
Glue. Glue thingy. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Not too bad. I think you're supposed to take that off. Possibly. Yeah, and then it opens. Studio canal. Okay. Then, how does it actually open? It opens on the side here, maybe. Oh yeah. It's got Velcro down the side. Okay. So it opens up like so. And that is the art book, which feels really nice, very good quality. It's got this little ribbon thing. Oh, lights on. Yeah, that helps. That might help a lot. Yeah, okay. Focus. That is very nice. That is right. Can you just grab this and focus there, please? Yeah. Okay, so this pulls it out. The Art of My Neighbor Totoro by Hayao Miyazaki. Hardcover, very nice. Very good quality. Original photos. Original story screenplay. Directed by Hayao Miyazaki. Initial concept sketches.
That's fun.
Oh, that is beautiful. The Art of Animated Films. This is priceless to a true fan. Look at that. The making of all the... Oh, this is just beautiful. And this is a really big book. Over 100 pages. 115. So many. Okay. Well, that is great. We also have a Totoro carry bag.
Can't see anything else in there.
Yeah. Like a cloth bag to go shopping in. Not in. Not big enough to be in. Maybe a baby. You can carry a baby in it. Not to buy a baby. Just ignore me. Right. Don't film me. Film the box. Some prints. Cardboard printouts. Very good quality.
Totoro's. Oh, the cat.
The cat bus. Oh yeah. So nice. It's very nice. Let's put these to the side. It's got a poster. Full size poster. At the bus stop, classic image. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Honey, you can't change the orientation mid-video. Thank you.
Well, this way it doesn't fit on.
Well, it won't fit then. Okay, that's that. What will our viewers think? Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Okay. Beautiful little poster on the back. It's just white. From the box.
I am filming.
Okay. 30th anniversary edition. What is this? It's just a little blank notebook for you to scribble on. I mean, I won't scribble anything on it really. It's just to keep. These will be fun. These are the refrigerator magnets. Or just magnets. Look at that. Really good quality print. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets cut out. Really, really nice quality. Feel the texture.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. That is awesome. Lily's gonna love that. And finally, we have here My Neighbor Totoro, the Studio Ghibli collection by DVD and Blu-ray. In color PAL and English and Japanese with English subtitles and HD standard 1080p Blu-ray, English and Japanese with English subtitles. Okay, so original language with English subtitles, as it was meant to be. And as you would expect, it's the Blu-ray. So there it is, and there's a nice little image at the bottom of the box of Totoro and his 2 little buddies. Totorinos. I just made that up. Totoro and the Totorettes. Well, there you go.
Put that across.
Yeah.
Or is that just for the
under
book?
under the thing. Yeah. Very nicely made. Cardboard. And then the magnets. And then the blank notebook. And then the poster. Ooh. And then the cardboard printouts. I mean, it's just beautiful.
Oh, the bus.
Box.
Oh, that's cute.
Little May sleeping with Totoro. Oh, this is just so nice. That's so nice. And classic with the cat and the lantern rats. Lantern rats. The headlight
right.
rats. Yeah. Oh. Come on, go back in. Well, just like that. Oh dear. And the thingy. And the beautiful art of My Neighbor Totoro book. Oh, this is amazing. Just this is 35 USA dollars, 25 pounds in the UK. Well, that conversion rate, that's from a while ago, I'll tell you that. Before Brexit. Oh yeah. Alright, that's it. Totoro, My Neighbor Totoro 30th Anniversary Edition. Oh yeah. Limited edition. Get it.